Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel, where we share beautiful China-exclusive themes for global Xiaomi devices. As usual, in today's video, I'll be sharing a few beautiful China region themes that you can install on global Xiaomi devices. If this theme looks familiar, that's because I covered it in a previous video. However, that was the global version. And this one is the China region version. This China region version comes with always-on display effects and a beautifully designed icon pack. The icon pack can be applied to most Xiaomi system apps, as well as Google apps. This is the theme's name in the Chinese theme store. After applying it, you can change the lock screen wallpaper however you like. To customize the theme, go to Customize Theme and set the lock style to Custom. To customize the theme, go to Customize Theme and set the lock style to Custom. Next, you need to manually enable this option so your personalized wallpaper can be displayed. After choosing a suitable wallpaper, you can proceed to change the main color of the clock. The theme also includes several options that allow you to turn the 3D effect and the glass effect on or off on the lock screen. If after changing the lock screen wallpaper, the home screen appears black like this, you can use the Google Wallpapers app to manually set the home screen wallpaper. Next up is the second theme in today's theme pack. This theme has been updated to fully support devices running HyperOS 3. This icon pack is based on the HyperOS 3 design language, with a subtle customized style. This is my device, currently running Xiaomi HyperOS 3, and this is the control center after applying this theme. This theme also allows you to customize your own lock screen wallpaper, and this is the theme's name on the China theme store. To change your personal lock screen wallpaper, you need to go back to the Customize Theme screen. Turn this toggle on, then add your image below to set it as the theme's lock screen wallpaper. The next theme brings a clock appearance animation on the lock screen. Below are the options that allow you to change the main color of the clock and the wallpaper. A wide variety of colors and styles allows you to customize the lock screen to match your personal taste. On the home screen, we also get a matching clock widget, along with an icon pack that's designed to stay visually consistent with the overall interface. When light mode is enabled, the control center automatically changes to a different visual style. And this is the theme's name in the Chinese theme store. All the themes featured in this video will be available as backup files in the video description. You can use the backup files to install these themes on Xiaomi devices running the global ROM. If you're not sure how to do it, check the tutorial video linked in the description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.